Welcome to the Liquid Galaxy installation guide, where we will provide detailed instructions on how to install the Liquid Galaxy system. My name is Natã.
My name is Julio.
First, we install the LSB and LSB core packages in order to improve compatibility between different Linux distributions and get some other tools that should help with the installation. Then you should run the sudo apt update commands to ensure that your system has the latest information about the available packages. After doing that, run the sudo apt upgrade -f command for the package manager to check for any pending upgrades and install them. Additionally, it will also try to fix any broken dependencies by resolving conflicts if necessary. And with that done, download the curl package with the sudo apt install curl. After doing that, the setup is complete. Before installing the master and the slaves, you must ensure that all the computers are in the same network. This is very important, so please do not skip this part. You can achieve this by checking the IP of your machines with the APA command and trying to ping each other with the ping command. With that out of the way, use the commands currently on the screen to begin the master installation process. After running this command, you should get a similar screen on your terminal. For the master, you should put 1 on the machine ID and then take a picture of the IP of the machine so you don't forget it. On the machine count, you put the amount of computers you're gonna use, and on the octet number, you can set it to 42 like it already tells you to do. You can also set the extra drivers to no, as they are usually not required. For each slave, you're gonna run the same command as before, and the same message should pop on your terminal, but this time, on the machine ID you should put the number of the slave. For the master machine IP, you should put the one that you should have saved. In case you forgot, just open the terminal on the master machine and type the command IPA. Back to the slave, set the number of machines and the octet number to the same that you have already set on the master machine, and also set the drivers to no. Next, press enter to reboot the machine. In order to see the Liquid Galaxy working, go back to the master machine and open another terminal. Cd into your scripts folder and run the launchearth.sh command, the script. If you did everything correctly, all of the computers should open Earth simultaneously and work as one big screen.
And that's pretty much it. That's how you install the Liquid Galaxy system. Thank you for watching.